how to add a second Face ID recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Lock Screen and Always on Display. After click on Lock Screen and Always on Display, scroll down and click on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter your phone PIN and click on Face Recognition. If you want to add second Face ID, so click on Add. So click on this second option and click on Register. So show your second face. So show show second face, after the process you will see second face ID is enabled. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add a second face ID recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.